Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you what is the best eSIM provider that you can get if you want to travel to New Zealand, and also how you can actually get data when you're going to be in New Zealand. So the first one that I present for you is Maya Mobile. That's something that I personally use and it works great for me. And how does it work? So first, I always come here and I check the coverage. So when I want to travel or where I want to travel, I just check, okay, what is the coverage right here in New Zealand and where I'm going to be if I'm going to get actually the coverage there. So I see that it's like covered really well. So then the next step is to actually check and click here on a help eSIM compatible phones. If you're going to actually find your phone, if it's going to be compatible with the eSIM. And then when you're going to do it, you're going to have discount down below in the description with a link. So I would click here and write in search, new, and you can have New Zealand eSIM, okay. And right here you can choose between 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, or even 30 days. So let's say I'm going to go for 15 days. So 15 days of data, and you can choose how much data you actually want, even unlimited if you want to, or 10 gigabyte, 25 free. So I would just click here, activate now. And then when you're going to use the link down below in the description, you're going to see that you're going to get 10% discount from me. Also, you're going to have the starting date when you want your data to start. And you're going to see right here, the data will start this day, but you can of course always change it where you want to actually go to New Zealand. And then you review and pay. What happens next is that you're going to get a QR code to your email that you have to activate the eSIM. So we will scan the QR code. I made also a full tutorial with the link down below in the description, how you can use it and how you can scan the QR code. And when you're going to do it, and when you're going to scan the QR code and you will activate the eSIM, you're good to go and you have it. Then another way how we can do it is you can use also Airalo. Now both Airalo and Maya Mobile, they provide, let me show you, New Zealand. They're both offer only data plans. They are not for calling. Yes, you can use the Facebook Messenger calling or I don't know, FaceTime, but you can really use it for SMS or, voice calling. Now here, let's say we're going to have the 10 gigabyte of data again for 30 days. When I'm going to compare it right here, you see that, let's say 30 days for Maya Mobile is $19.80. Here, it's $27. So Maya Mobile is much cheaper and much better comparing to Airalo. They're both really good providers. They got similar network and they both work fine. Airalo got also QR code, but in this regard, when we just compare the pricing, Maya Mobile is just cheaper. So you can use that because when we even check here, this is like the Spark and this is the Abdu Watch. So they got different network, but they are both reliable. So it's up to you which one you're going to choose. On both, you're going to have discount, even for Airalo, even when it's more expensive and they have only 30 days, 15, 30. But all those 5, 10, and 20 gigabyte of data is for 30-day plan only. So thank you very much, guys, for watching and have a great day and goodbye.